In this video I'm going to show you how to add contact or friend on Telegram. So let's get started. First open the app, click on these three horizontal lines, and next click contacts. Then click here on this icon, name your contact, and then put his number here. Click create contact and send a message hello. And that's it. This is how can you create a new contact on Telegram. If you want to delete this contact, just open your conversation, click on this profile picture here, click on these three dots here, and click delete contact. Click delete again. And that's it. This is how can you delete contact. And this is how can you delete chat. So if you go to your contacts, no one is here again. And this is how can you do it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button. And if you want to support this channel, subscribe the channel. See you later. Goodbye.